were at Village Creek Landing in St. Simons Island doing a party. When we got here, we realized we needed a little backdrop made for a special moment in the party. I wanted to take inspiration from where we are. I mean, it's beautiful. We're on the marsh out here. I wish I knew this body of water, but I don't right now. I'm going to show you how you can make, on the fly, a really quick backdrop. Come on, let's do it. It's easy. You can do it. For this backdrop, what we're going to use are some oyster shells, because where we are, they had a whole thing of them. Look how beautiful they are. We had some old twine, and all I'm going to do is leave a little end, and I'm going to just wrap this twine around the oyster shell. Like, look how pretty. That's where kind of the art comes in. So I love this juxtaposition of twine and pretty shell. I'm going to cut it off, and then we're going to tie it on our vertical pieces of jute that we have hanging down.
Super cute.
This we're just starting. Like, I can't wait for you to see it when you come back, but we're just taking that oyster that we just tied on, and we're going to tie it on these vertical pieces of jute that we've just tied from our curtain rod, actually. Look how they're just gonna We're gonna come in with tons of oyster shells. So there you go. It took us what, David? About an hour? Yeah. There was a problem area. Instead of hiding it, here's a tip. We decided to accentuate it. Look how cute. Party, what? It's 4 till 3 right now. Party starts in 3 hours. And this is what happens at the end at 12:25 a.m.